Welcome back to the grand final of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Friendship Primary 17, Creative Kids Learning Academy 22. Let's get into the final challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Let's see 4 minutes on the Guardian new Ultimate Provider Clock. The first question is from Jamaican Affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Creative Kids?
Winston Smith?
That's incorrect. CEO of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Gary Allen, is the correct answer. Sports. Which team won the 2021 season of the Jamaica Premier League Friendship?
Cavaliers FC. Cavaliers FC.
Premier League football competition. That is correct. Bible knowledge. According to 2 Kings, which prophet was taken up into heaven by a Creative Kids?
Elijah.
By a whirlwind. That is correct. Science. Place the food chain in the correct order, starting with the producer. Snake. Green plant. Frog. Friendship.
Okay. Green plant, frog, and snake.
Green plant, frog, snake.
Question was snake, green plant, frog, snail. Correct answer would have been green plant, snail, frog, snake. That's incorrect. English language. Spell the word paranoia, which is friendship.
P-A-R-A-N-A-Y-A-H.
That is incorrect. Paranoia is P-A-R-A-N-O-I-A, which is the feeling that you're being threatened in some way. That's incorrect. Music. What's the name or title of the national song for schools in Jamaica? Creative Kids.
Jamaica. No. Jamaica Land of Beauty. Jamaica Land of Beauty.
That's incorrect. It's I Pledge My Heart. General knowledge. What's the capital of the Creative Kids?
Manila.
Of the Falkland Islands. Stanley is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this late actor. Friendship.
Chadwick Boseman.
Is correct. Mathematics, giving your answer as a whole number. What is 14 1/4 divided by 3/4? Creative Kids. Time's up. It's 19. Social studies, give the first and last name of the African leader after whom the public park in Halfway Tree Square in Jamaica is named. Friendship.
Nelson Mandela.
Is correct. Television, which program is aired on Television Jamaica on Saturdays at 8 p.m. Friendship.
Intense.
8 p.m. Intense is correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Friendship.
Evan Lewis.
West Indies cricketer is correct. Bible knowledge in the parable of the sower and the seed. On how many different types, Creative Kids?
4.
Types of ground did the seed fall for is correct. Science, what's another name for the tear? Creative Kids?
Lacrimal gland.
Tear gland, that is correct. English language, in the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean a place where an incident occurs, and the past participle of the verb to see. Creative Kids.
S-C-E-N-E and S-E-E-N.
Is correct. Music, what's the name of the highest vocal range of all voice? Friendship.
Soprano.
Of all voice types, male or female, that's correct. General knowledge, what's the current name of the African country formerly known as French? Creative Kids.
Côte d'Ivoire.
French Sudan, the correct answer is Mali. That's incorrect. Local affairs, who is the Minister of State in the Creative Kids?
Marsha Smith.
In the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development in Jamaica, Honorable Homer Davis is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Mathematics, a sum of money is shared in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. If the smallest sum is $340, then what's the largest? Creative Kids.
$170.
That's incorrect. It's $850. Social studies, which planet takes 4,300? Creative Kids.
Neptune.
4,333 days to orbit around the sun. Jupiter is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. In the book of Revelation, John wrote letters to the 7 churches of Asia while exiled on which island? Creative Kids.
Patmos.
Is correct. English language. By using... That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Friendship Primary on 25 and Creative Kids Learning Academy on 16. We now take a break to double check these scores and we'll return with the final results. The grand finals of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021 continues after these messages. Welcome back. The scores are confirmed and our 2021 champions are Friendship Primary. Congratulations to Friendship Primary and an excellent effort from Creative Kids Learning Academy. We invite the captains to acknowledge each other in keeping with the Junior Schools Challenge Quiz tradition and, of course, COVID-19 protocols. Captains? Your final scores are Friendship Primary 25 and Creative Kids Learning Academy 16. Here now is the captain of the winning team.